Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a fairy lights with Edison bulbs. That's today this is a special fairy lights, okay? Because it's IP65 waterproof by Avoalre G40 one wide with 30 bulbs. This is a nice fairy light, as you can see, and it is for outdoor use. Oh yeah, 10-meter range, indoor and of course outdoor, you can use it. But there's more. You can add them together. That means it's possible to add 5 of these fairy light sets to one fairy light with a maximum range of 50 meters. Expandable power. This is an expandable outdoor fairy lights for garden, balcony, for the yard, for parties, wedding, or other activities. And there are extra 3 times of G40 light bulbs there. 3 replacement G40 light chain outdoor bulbs for additional use and easy replacement. Each light bulb is 1.5 inches, slightly smaller than a golf ball. When one bulb runs out, the rest stays lit, so we don't have to replace the entire string of lights. That's good. Durable and weatherproof. The cable too, with 10-meter high quality 18 gauge SPT1 cable with 30 centimeter distance between the bulbs. 0.91 meter cable with plug and 0.91 meter connection with socket. This premium cable is fully connectable and for safe indoor and outdoor use. CE, ROHSCE EMCCE-LVD UL certified. And it's really safe and easy to install, as you can see. This G40 outdoor fairy lights use high quality glass and an ABS material. IP65 waterproof, and oh yeah, this means it can stand again heavy rain and snow. This is ideal for indoor and outdoor decoration. There is a clip on the side that allows us to easily attach it to our branch, and a great helper for perfect atmosphere. 2300 Kelvin warm white outer fairy lights brings us a warm, soft atmosphere in which we can enjoy a beautiful night and a romantic dinner with our family and friends. Perfect, convenient and versatile light for patio, for the deck roof, eaves, wedding, party, Christmas of course, parasol, for the entire garden, for bars, pergolas, etc. Once we have this installed, it will be there because it is durable. And if there maybe one of the bulb is broken, you can replace it easily. Only remove the damaged bulb and reattach it with the new one, which is included. You can also replace it to an LED system, for example. But there you have to look, because this is an 200 that is in full voltage things, like the power counts of your socket, your power consumption, and an LED bulb has to prove that system, and then you can replace it with a G40 socket. It's really easy and nice, because this is a classic Edison bulb, and the Edison bulb is the classic way. Redrew character reference to as the antique light bulbs and the vintage light bulbs is the Edison light bulbs, referred to carbon or early tungsten filament incandescent lamps or modern bulbs reproducing their appearance. Most of these bulbs are reproduced of the wound filament bulbs made popular by Edison Electric Light Company at the turn of the 20th century. They are easily identified by the long and complicated windings of the internal filaments and by the very warm yellow glow of the light they produce. Many of the bulbs emit the light at a color temperature of 2200 up to 2400, and so you can see this here are really Edison light bulbs, and that brings us a special lighting at or to our home with that awesome fairy lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again next time. Soon.